Hello, and welcome to the equipment series. It's a somewhat follow-up of our inventory system. If you want, you can start with those videos, and then it will be a seamless integration. However, you can probably figure out how we're doing it on this one and implement that into your own equipment inventory system as well. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to have a character screen. This is kind of stupid because we don't have a third-person character on this one, and I can't be arsed to actually add one. So we're going to use our first-person character. We're only going to see the arms. We're gonna have weapons. We're gonna have shoulders. So if I hold shift, you can see that now if I hover over here, you can see how much attack power and stuff it gives. Stats. You can see that it's a type head. This is type shoulder, and you can see the quality of the items changing color as well. Hold shift for more info. If you do that, it's gonna toggle the more info panel underneath where you can add whatever information you want, like so. And if you right click, you can see that it's equipping it to the character. It's equipping everything to the character and it's changing the stats of the character accordingly. Same with if you right click to take them off, it removes the stats and it removes the item as well.